Hi guys, welcome to another day of trading. Basically, this is the trade I'm currently in. This is Euro USD, and for yesterday, quick recap on yesterday. I took an L trying to basically short EU. I took an L trying to short EU down. My whole reasoning behind that whole move was basically on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, on 15 minutes time frame, guys. If you guys will see, look at the 15 minutes time frame after we traded up to this level. The 1 hour time frame, that is the highest point, guys, mind you. This is the highest apart from this level, because this was the level I was looking to see price trading to. This 16719. That was the level I was anticipating price to trade into, but basically price didn't actually trade into that level. So I was trying to short the first one. I was trying to short towards this point because we traded into this fair value, and the lack of displacement we were getting from this candle, I basically just went short on that, and that got I got stopped out trying to short from that level. So I saw a change state of delivery on the 5 minutes time frame. So basically, I took longs and I was going for a fixed 1 hour tree, which would be yeah this was what I was anticipating to get. Basically, this was the entire goal. The goal was on 16742, but that didn't hold because I was looking to price weight up to this level. But this was the initial full take profit for a 1:3 trade. So that didn't work out. We got stopped at break even. Rest of my positions got stopped at break even. But I took partials because I was already down for the day. I didn't want to hold my trades for long. That's bit of psychology and intuition over time. So basically today's trading should move up to daily time frame. So this is my whole idea, guys, for the day. This is my whole idea for the day because price basically took out this range. So this was the range I called last week. Sorry, coming into this week, this were the range I called. This level at 16479, this at 16696, and this was also as on 160 So that this was the range I called coming into this week. But basically that all got traded into. So what I'm looking to see in price, because we got very little manipulation from this candle. But in other words, we got an imbalance. So this whole level right here, which is this and this, up to the high of this candle, it's just a price imbalance. So I'm not actually looking at price to trade into this level. So down to the 4 hour time frame, as you guys can see, we traded up to this fair value. If you measure the full range of that, if we measure the full range of that imbalance, which was this, yeah, basically we took out 50% of that range, 0.5% of that range. So I'm looking to see price basically just reject, and that's what we're currently getting. Price is just rejecting, but overall, I would like to see price claim this low, yeah, because this is the candle that price rejected from. So this is the candle that I would like to see price break. If you get a break below this level, then this full take profit will be assured. But if price basically just comes down and is starts to chop around this level, I would initially just exit the trade and or trail stop aggressively from that point, making the trade a 1 hour run. So on the 1 hour time frame, basically same idea. All our bullish narrative are just being invalidated. Yeah, this didn't hold. This was invalidated, and price basically retested this imbalance, this inversion right here. Once price retested back into this range, he traded back up, tried to take out this level, but obviously that failed. So from there, I just waited to see if we would get waited for the retracement that I anticipated for us to get off of this 1 hour fair value. So let me put this out, guys. So basically, this is it. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of comments from TikTok that guys are saying my charts are too clean. How do I know how to mark out certain levels? Well, I don't think I need drawings if I know what I'm doing, do I? So this is a 1 hour fair value, and basically what I've learned over time from 1 hour fair value gaps is the first candle that trades into that fair value gap tend to reject to your direction or against you, depend on if the fair value gap is in your favor or is in the opposing side of the market. Basically, it just rejects. Then the next candle that prints, if you get a closure from that candle, you would know if the market basically wants to go in our favor or turn the other way. So basically, on this case, like I said, next candle, that's where I entered from. That's where I executed the market from. So basically, this is supposed to be that. That's where I executed. That's where I executed. I took this sell from. So from there, practically, as you guys can see, after that huge decline, we created a 30 minutes fair value, which was this. Once the first candle that traded into that gap failed to close inside the fair value, closed beyond, it's closed beneath it. So basically, I just entered the market and waited for price to trade, fall back down. So that is it for the day, guys. That is it for the day. And my full take profit is this low right here, the low of the last swing low that we got. Because basically, I think price will actually fall down there. But if you don't get that, well, it's still fine. It's still fine for the day, guys. So any of you that are in that actually took this trade, because I know most of my guys took the trade. So any of you that are in, I want to hop on the trade because it's not too late. You can enter in light. That's my advice. Enter the trade light and also stay consistent, guys. Just consistent because that's the best way to go in this business. So thank you all for sticking around. See you guys on the chat.